In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about surface area. So this is one of the words I would like for you to put into your ISN. Surface area is pretty self-explanatory. It's really the area of all of the surfaces on a three-dimensional shape. So on our rectangular prism here, the surface area is going to be the area of this face plus the area of this face and the area of this face, and all 6 faces. We've been working a little bit with nets, and here's the net of my rectangular prism. It's a little larger in scale, but when we have our net and we lay our net flat, we can then find the surface area by finding the area of each face and adding them together. Okay, so that's what we're going to start with today. Make sure you have surface area in your ISN and that you've made it stand out somehow so that you remember where to find it and what it means. All right, let's look at example number 1. Example number 1 says use the net to calculate the surface area of the figure. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the dimensions on there. So we're going to use the boxes to go 2 units by 1 unit and so forth. So we're going to write our dimensions on there. Let me choose a different color. This one's going to kind of blend in a little too much with our lines. So this is 2, let's say meters. Let's pretend they're meters. This will be 2 meters. This is 1 meter. Okay, and it's the same for both. 2 meters, 1 meter. Same here. This is 2 meters. So just kind of putting our information around the edge. All right. So if that's the case, let's find the area for each surface, therefore to find the whole surface area. Okay, this surface area is 2 by 1. The area is length times width. So 2 times 1 is 2 meters squared. For that part. This one is a 2 by a 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 meters squared. And I know we could count the boxes, but I'm showing you how to do it without boxes because eventually that's what you're going to need to do. This is a 2 by 1, so that makes it a 2 meters squared. This is a 2 by 2, so it's a 4 meters squared. This is a 2 by 1, so it's 2 meters squared. And same here, 2 by 1, 2 meters squared. Now we found each box, each face. Now let's find the whole area. Okay, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 4 is 12, and 4 is 16. So my surface area is 16 meters squared, and it's squared because it is area. That's my surface area. Pretty simple. You just got to make sure that you find each one of them. Okay, let's take a look at this shape. Now, first question is, what shape is this? Well, it has a base that is a rectangle, or a square in this case, and it has points. All of these are going to fold up into that point. So I think that this is a rectangular pyramid, because it comes up to a point like the pyramids of Egypt. Okay, so I need to write an expression for the surface area. So first I need to probably mark all of my measurements that I know. Okay, so this is 3, let's still work with meters. This one is 3 meters, 3 meters, and 3 meters. Now, we can't measure this, and we don't need to. To find the area of a triangle, we're going to need the base and the height. So let's count the height. The height is 2. So I'm going to dotted line it, but 2 meters. 1, 2. 2 meters. And 2 meters. All right. So I need to find the surface area. So the middle one, the square in the middle, is 3 by 3, which would make 9 meters squared. 1/2 base times height. I'm going to try it in my head. Let's see. 1/2 base times height. So the base is 3, the height is 2, that's 6. Half of that is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. Okay, I'm finding that these are all probably the same size. 6/2 is 3. 6/2 is 3. Okay, so we need to write an expression, it says. Let's find that surface area first, just for fun. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 and 9. 10 and 9 is 19, and 2 more is 21. So I have 21 meters squared. Okay, my expression is I'm going to find 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 4 times 3. And I'm going to put them in parentheses just to show I remember that goes together. You don't have to, because 4 times 3 would definitely come first. But there are 4 of the 3's. And that'll give me 12 plus 9, which is 21 meters squared. Surface area is the area of all the different surfaces that we have. So all the different shapes that are created from the net. Today you will have probably some nets on your homework and your classwork, and you will be expected to find your surface area based on each area that you find. All right, if you have any questions, put them in your ISN.